Hello everyone, it's Lily. Today, we're going to draw everyone's favorite cutie, JJ from CoComelon. If you're ready, let's get started. First, let's draw his big, bright eyes. Draw two circles that are rounded on top and slightly flat at the bottom. Fill in the dark pupils and let's draw smaller circles inside them as well. Great job! Now, let's draw his little nose. How about drawing a big happy smile with teeth showing? Looking at it makes me smile too. Don't forget his two adorable front teeth. Next, let's add his eyebrows on both sides. Now it's time to draw JJ's iconic ice cream swirl curl. Imagine the top of a soft-serve ice cream cone swirling up as you draw it. Are you following along well? Awesome! Now let's shape his face outline. Drawing a face shape symmetrically on both sides can be really tricky. Mine is a little uneven too, but who cares? This is our very own drawing, so all that matters is that we love it. Next, let's draw him wearing his cute headphones. Draw the ear cups first, and then draw the headband wrapping around his head. Now it's time to draw his body. Let's draw his hands resting comfortably by his side, with his legs slightly spread apart. Isn't a baby's onesie just as cute as a little spacesuit? Let's also draw cute little whales swimming all over his onesie. Adding patterns takes a bit of time, but it has a wonderfully calming effect on your mind. I really love this quiet time. What do you think? JJ's outline is complete. Now it's time for coloring. Leaving a little bright shine inside the eyes makes the drawing look much more alive. Carefully color around his two front teeth to fill in the rest of the mouth. And we're finished! How did your JJ turn out? I'll see you next time with another fun drawing. Bye!